Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have a short video for you guys where we are just doing cleaning on the main level of our house. It's been a super long time since I've posted. I've had a lot of technical difficulties, but I'm finally here. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for being patient with me while I upload another video. And I hope that you will join me in cleaning up today. As you can see, I have a couple of helpers here today with me. These guys are always here trying to lend a hand. And so today they are fully involved in getting this main level tidied up.
Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and that will try to fix what has been broken.
So as I mentioned at the beginning, I've had some technical difficulties. Actually, my computer here broke. I finally got a new one. So I haven't been able to record or upload videos, but I should be able to more consistently now. So if you haven't already subscribed, I urge you to hit that subscribe button. I have some little projects coming up of work that I'm doing around the house. I'll be recording those and sharing them with you. And of course, we've got cleaning, decluttering, tidying up under pressure, under stress, which is my motivation for recording these videos. So I hope that I am motivating you to do the same. And if you have little ones around, I hope you can get them to join in on the fun of cleaning together today. So I hope you like this video, and please leave comments below if you have any thoughts or suggestions for videos that you'd like me to do. Yeah, I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you. I know it's been a long time coming.
Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels
heard me complain about, if you've seen some of my other videos, is that the entryway closet gets super messy. So my kids, who are extremely sweet, have volunteered to empty it out so that I can sweep, and then they are going to also organize the shoes back. These are little kitties who are just super helpful, super handy, and like to help out their mommy. But let's admit, they also are a big factor in messing things up. So, but I really appreciate their help. And I'm gonna show you later on how they were able to organize the shoes back on their own completely.
Hold back the night, we held back the night. I'll be over you, okay? I'll be doing more than great, but I just miss ya, I miss ya. I'll sing happy songs one day. I'll be doing more than great, but now I miss ya, I miss ya. Show me what it's like.
And here's the big reveal on how they were able to organize the shoes. How amazing does that look? I was super happy and super proud of them.
You stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way. I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, Now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
So that brings us to the end of today's video, you guys. I hope you liked it. I know it's very short, and I know it's been a long time, but I hope that you enjoyed today's cleaning video and that I've been able to motivate you even just a little bit to get a little bit of cleaning done around your place as well. Please stay tuned for new videos that are coming up. I appreciate you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.
Just wanted to say that you can take me high.